F'dawn il-jumej qed tiltaqa' fi Brussell il-Konvenzjoni Progressiva msejħa mill-Partit tas-Soċjalisti Ewropej. Il-kap tal-Oppożizzjoni u mexxej Laburista Joseph Muscat kien fl-ewwel grupp ta' mexxejja li ntalbu jagħtu l-viżjoni tagħhom għall-futur tal-Ewropa. Joseph Muscat kellem fost l-oħrajn dwar is-settur tan-negozju.
Put forward, and one of the key messages that must come out of this convention is that we are not an anti-business movement. Even though this does not sound popular, and even though the populist thing to say from the left-hand side of the spectrum is basically portraying business as the boogeyman, I think that we should distinguish between good business and bad business. The speculators and the genuine small entrepreneurs who work and provide good, stable jobs. And I think that is one of the basic things we must put forward as one of our core ideas.
Huwa qal li l-partiti progressivi irdu jkunu kommessi għal tnaqqis fid-deficit. Id-differenza mill-konservattivi trid tkun l-importanza ta' tkabbir ekonomiku li mingħajru l-ebda tnaqqis fid-deficit ma jista' jkun sostenibbli. Joseph Muscat qal l-kwistjoni mhux bejn li jkollok aktar Ewropa jew anqas Ewropa, iżda Ewropa aħjar li tara li jkun hemm dixxilpina fiskali u li tippromovi tkabbir tal-ekonomija.
I think we have to come out of this as a credible alternative that recognizes the problems of public finances, that's saying we will tackle those problems, we will not let them go away, because they won't go away, but we will do it in a fairer way, through growth.
Matul il-konvenzjoni l-President tal-Partit tas-Soċjalisti Ewropej Paul Nairou Rasmussen ċeda postu lil Sergej Staničev bħala mexxej sakemm isir kungress ieħor. Sergej Staničev li huwa l-mexxej soċjalista fil-Bulgarija kien mistieden tal-Konferenza Ġenerali tal-Partit Laburista f'Jannar li għadda.